Magandang hapon po ng August 2, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 2, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, August 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, August 2, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for August 2, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 2, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.